Welcome to our series on solid principles. This series is designed to help you write better, cleaner, and more maintainable code by understanding these 5 essential design principles. Whether you are just starting your coding journey or already working on complex projects, these principles will make a significant difference in how you approach software design. Let's start with the first principle in Solid, the single responsibility principle, or you can also call it as SRP. This principle says that every class should have only one responsibility. To put it simply, each class should do only one thing and do it well. But why is it important? Because when a class has a single responsibility, it becomes easier to change, test, and maintain. Let me give you a real world example to make this clearer. Imagine a hotel management system. In a hotel, tasks are divided among staff based on their roles. For example, a chef focuses on cooking, a receptionist manages bookings, and waiter serves food. And this separation of duties ensures the hotel runs efficiently. But what if the chef had to cook food, take orders, and manage bookings all by themselves? Not only would this lead to chaos, but it would also mean that if the booking process changed, the chef would have to adapt, which might disrupt their cooking. This is exactly what happens in your code if a single class takes on too many responsibilities. It becomes difficult to maintain and prone to errors. Now, allow me to translate this real-time example into a coding example. So, for that, here I am making a class chef, and this class is going to be responsible for both food preparation. For that, let me create a method prepare food. Let's console cooking food, and let's create another method manage bookings, console write line manage table bookings. Now, this class is responsible for both food preparation and booking management. In this setup, if we need to change how bookings are managed, we'll have to modify the chef class, which might unintentionally affect the food preparation functionality. And this is the violation of single responsibility principle because the class has two reasons to change now. The first one is the food preparation and second one is the booking management. And now to fix this, we will apply single responsibility principle to this class chef by splitting the responsibilities into two separate classes, chef and receptionist. Let's just simply copy the manage booking method from here and create another class, public class, receptionist, paste this method inside this, done. And now you will observe that each class has a single responsibility here. If we need to change how bookings are managed, we will modify the receptionist class without touching the chef class. Similarly, any changes to food preparation logic won't impact the booking management or the receptionist class. So, by applying single responsibility principle here, we made our code more modular and easier to maintain. It also reduced the risk of introducing bugs when making any changes. This principle may sound simple, but its impact on code quality is profound. And that's the single responsibility principle. Stay tuned for the next video where we will explore the open-close principle and see how to design code that's easy to extend without modifying existing functionality. See you next time. Thank you.